Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside after making a support at around $5.272. Okay, and keep this in mind, $5.727 is a strong support, but it is already being tested 2-3 times. You can see here also and here also. The probability is very high that if the price comes close to this level, we can see there will be a sharp rise. There is high chances or probabilities there. Okay, but overall trend we can see it is moving in ascending order on the higher side. Okay, and one important thing that it is moving in this particular zone. So if this zone break upside or downside, then we can see there can be a sharp rise or sharp fall can be there. Before we move forward and explain you how the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and I'm link also in the description. You can join that too. Now look at this particular chart. Overall trend on the upside, a swing has formed here. Okay, and a swing has formed here. So this is a weak support. Okay, now as you can see that full particular for this week we have seen a red candle has formed. Okay, after making a high of around $8.133. Okay, this is the high in the last week we have seen. So probability is there if this level sustain, which is at a strong support. So suppose if this level sustain, then chances are very high that we can see it can move further upside towards a level of around $6.963. Okay, and this is a resistance which is, if sustained, then there is high chances that we can see it can go towards a level of $7.049. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $7.418. $7.418 is a weak resistance, as you can see here. So chances are very high that we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $7.548, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around, you can say, $8.068. $8.068 is already being tested here. Okay, and a weak resistance. So chances are very high once the price comes close to this particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of 8.350 and then further upside if the price sustain. Okay, so you have to understand here that the overall trend is upside, so probability of moving further upside is there. But if you look at after the war situation, we have seen there is a lot of volatility we have seen in the natural gas prices. Okay, not only in different countries, but the import and export has been drastically changed because of the price. That is where we have seen the price moved at a lower point to a higher point twice. Okay, now it is trying to move sustain upside, but as of now we can see there is still a volatility in the price of natural gas. So what we can see, suppose if the price goes below this particular support, we can see it can come down towards its next support of $6.630. Okay, and if that support also didn't sustain, then high chances will be there we can see it can go towards a level of $6.361. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $6.25, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of around $6.064. Okay, now once the price fall below that particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $5.903 to a level of around $5.687. Okay, you have to understand here that $5.687 is a weak support. Okay, so chances will be very high if the price comes close to this particular level, then we can see it can fall further low and can go towards its strong support of around $5.3. Okay, and if the price fall below 5.3 also, then we can see it can touch a level of $5.014, and then further low if the price didn't sustain this particular level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description, and once the price fall below 5, then you can say it can make a new low. Now understand something. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. That comes to $1,000 to $1,500, and a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. Okay, now suppose if you took 5 trades also, your maximum risk will be 100 per trade, that comes to $500. Okay, now this $500, as you can see that if you lose all 5 trades, your maximum loss is $500. That will not affect your psychology. You getting me? Okay, but what you can be looking at the next day, a new trades with the new mindset. You will not try to recover this $500, but what people do is they lose so much money, $2,000, $5,000, $5,000, all these things they lose. That is where they try to recover that particular amount, which in turn lose their full capital. This is what they do. What I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these barriers, how to strategize and trades, and how to pick the stocks and all. Okay, and when to exit and all. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video. Please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.